Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is Philip Colbridge here, presenting to you a beautiful new listing in beautiful Avalon Park here on the east side of Orlando, Florida. As you can see, we are surrounded by nature with the Hal Scott Preserve, which is an 8,000 acre forest just off to the side of the house. As you can see there in the drones. And you can see to the north of us, you have the community, Timber Creek High School within biking distance, and then circling around to the west of the house, you have the downtown Avalon Park as well as top-rated Avalon Elementary. And then to the south of us, you have Avalon Middle School. There's trails throughout the community. There's like over 10 restaurants, award-winning entertainment, music schools, entertainment, all kinds of things to offer here in this beautiful, self-contained community. You really never even need to get into your car here. You're going to see golf carts going back and forth. So you actually have to come experience the street that this house is on, because you hear about Avalon. This is the real Avalon, okay? This is beautiful, quaint. There's no traffic driving by. Let's go check out inside. All right, so now we enter the beautiful David Weekley home here. And you'll notice a lot of upgrades, fresh paint everywhere. We have the porcelain wood look tiles in all the common areas. We have this beautiful formal living room, which can be used as a cocktail room. It's got actually direct access to the kitchen. There's also the laundry room over there, but it's beautifully staged here. Then we're gonna enter further, and I'm gonna actually show you this wing. I couldn't pass it up because it's super cool. Let's check it out. All right, so welcome to the West Wing. No, just kidding. This is a beautiful feature of David Weekley Homes, where we have its own kind of contained area here with a bathroom. We have the 2 bedrooms here in the front of the house overlooking the beautiful view. And then we have this common area with the porcelain wood look tile. We have it staged as an office right now, but easily convertible to a playroom, a craft room, even an extra space for living, because it is closed off. It's a classic feature of David Weekley, where they have kind of the bedrooms gather in the common place. So now we enter the main foyer again, coming into the center of the house, where we have a lot of unique features, starting with the kitchen, which is a favorite of many. It's got a lot of beautifully well-maintained builder upgrades, okay, including granite 42-inch cabinets, and we have gas, which is unique in this community. There's probably less than 20 homes in all of Avalon that have gas. We have many appliances running on it, including the stove, of course. Nice bay window overlooking the side. And then we come this way, we have 2 islands. So lots already here, lots you can do more. Plenty of potential with this house. We have triple sliding glass already made. The nook, nowadays you can have fancy dinners there. We have the garage access and then the backyard access. And now we enter the family room, which is very open-aired, lots of space, nice view of the back, of course. And you have your master to this side of the house as well, which you can see there in the photo, with the master bathroom and walk-in closet. So let's go check out the back. All right, so welcome to your private oasis back here. We have the covered porch area with master access as well as garage access, and of course the family room, coming in to the covered and screened pool deck with a beautiful pool here. Water feature, plenty of space for entertainment. We even have the privacy screens here as well. And the Masters also has this view. So lots and lots and lots to offer with this house, this community, everything that's going on. It's a single floor, semi-custom David Weekley home. So that pretty much says it all. Philip Colbridge here. Great to see you guys, and please come in person with either your realtor or ourselves, or our open house. And we'll see you here real soon. Thank you.